Hello, my name is Dr. Brett Davies. I'm a barrister and solicitor at Legal Consolidated. Well, you're in a second marriage. You love your second wife very much. You've got children from your own relationship and she's got children from her relationship. When you die, you'd like to leave everything to your second wife. She needs the money. If she dies first, you'd like her to leave you everything because you need the money. What happens once both of you have died? You've probably done mirror wills, so half the family fortune will go to your children and the other half will go to her children. So let's have a look at that. You're worth 5 million, she's worth 5 million. You die, your wife, your second wife's now worth 10 million. She then dies, whatever's left, let's say it's 8 million, 4 million will go to her children and 4 million will go to your children. Seems pretty fair. However, what if she decides to change her mind? At any time a person can rewrite a will. While you're of sound mind, you can rewrite a will. Even if you're of unsound mind, your family can still go to court and request a statutory will. And there's lots of that information on our law firm's website, legalconsolidated.com.au. So what form of protection can you put in place so you can still give your wife everything, she still gives you everything, but there's still the wealth going back to the children equally on both sides of the equation? Well, there's a thing called a contractual will agreement. Now what it is that you and your spouse will attach an unsigned copy, your unsigned will, your spouse's unsigned will, to the agreement that you can draft, you can build on our law firm's website. Have a start building it. You see all the hints and plenty of YouTubes and training videos there for you as well. You then produce the document, see it in the summary, put your credit card details in, and out will come the mutual will agreement. You attach your draft wills, unsigned, to it, you sign it, and now you're contractually bound not to change your will in a way that materially affects your spouse's children. So let's have a look at that. So from this point on, while you can still spend the money in the ordinary lifestyle that you're used to, and let's say you go on the Superstar Virgo on ship cruises rather than the Queen Mary, then you continue to go on the Superstar Virgo. I've been on both and it's quite nicer in the Queen Mary, but nevertheless, you have a usual lifestyle that you are used to using. Now that doesn't mean you can't exhaust the assets, and your spouse would want you to do that. If you need medical help or retirement home support, then you can still use the money, but upon death, the assets have to go half to your side of the family, half to your spouse's side of the family. Well, what happens if a will has been made? So you've died and your wife's remade a will. It means that there is now a contract. There is now a contract in place where your children can bring an action against the estate, not as challenging the will, but a contractual obligation to say that my stepmother should not have done that. And there's lots of court cases on that as well, and have a look at our website if you want to see more information. So the contractual will agreement, a great way of protecting second marriages where you want to do mirror and mutual wills. Now if you need a hand, just telephone us. We're a law firm, we can give legal advice, and that's the advantage you have in dealing directly with our law firm's website. Because we are a law firm, we can even help you answer the questions. Enjoy that advantage.